Hello and welcome to Kitchen Basics. In this module, I'll be explaining to you how to make Spanish rice. Now, this is a recipe from my family. It has been a staple for multiple generations. Give yourself about 45 minutes the first time you try preparing it. With practice, you can reduce the time to under 30 minutes. Regarding the ingredients, it starts with 1 cup of basmati white rice, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of comino, which you can look for in a Hispanic section of your grocery store, 3 fresh garlic cloves, diced, 1/2 cup of yellow onion, diced, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Alternatively, you can use a 1/4 cup marinara sauce or a diced fresh tomato. The purpose of this sauce is to give it the right color and a slight flavoring. And then you're going to sea salt to taste. Now, step 1 is we put some olive oil in a pan, followed by the rice. Now, we stir the rice in the pan with the olive oil until brown or golden, over low to medium heat. Now, notice here you can see the actual browning of the rice in the pan. Now, step 3 is we add and stir in the chicken broth, the comino, the onions, the garlic, and the tomato sauce, or as I said, alternatively, the marinara sauce or diced tomatoes. So stir it all up, salt to taste, then bring the mixture to a boil, then turn down the heat to low, then cover for about 15 minutes. Congratulations, at this point, you've now prepared your Spanish rice. It serves 4 individuals. Toss and fluff with a spoon, then serve immediately. Thank you for watching Kitchen Basics. Bye now.